Got a PREL file from a home video editing project? This is an Adobe Premiere Elements creation. Consumer video editing from the makers of the industry standard Premiere Pro. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and finish this video project. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single PREL file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. PREL files are project files from Adobe Premiere Elements containing video editing timeline data with clip arrangements, transitions, titles, effects, and audio mixing settings. They store the complete editing workspace for consumer video production, linking to source media files for non-destructive editing. Adobe Premiere Elements PREL files use a proprietary format storing timeline sequence data clip references with trimming points, transition definitions, effect parameters, title overlays, and output render settings. The format links to external media rather than embedding video data in the project file. Commonly, PREL files use Adobe Premiere Elements, developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated program is necessary. Windows can preview most video files, but editing them requires dedicated video software. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the PREL file and select Open With. If Adobe Premiere Elements is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If the PREL file is still giving you trouble, relax. Every failure has a cause. Here are the common technical reasons why your system is failing to correctly parse the PREL format. First, opening in Premiere Elements. Launch Adobe Premiere Elements and open the PREL file using File, then Open Project. The timeline loads with all clips, transitions, and effects. If prompted to locate missing media, use the file browser to reconnect source videos and images that have been moved since the project was last saved. Next, completing your edit. Review the timeline and make final adjustments to clip trimming, transition timing, and audio levels. Add titles using the Titles panel and apply color corrections from the Adjustments menu. Use the Preview monitor to review your edit before committing to the final export render. Finally, exporting final video. Click Share then Computer or Share then Disk to export your finished video. Select Output Format, Resolution, and Quality settings. Choose from presets optimized for YouTube DVD or specific devices. Premiere Elements renders the final video combining all timeline elements into a single output file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.